Suman with you, Chiru? Is Suman with
No,
you?
Naveen, you can start the session. You'll be joining.
Okay, fine.
He just asked if you can start the session.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes, fine, guys. In my morning session, I told something about this method overloading and method overriding. Am I right? What is method overloading,
Yeah.
friends? What is method overloading? It's a very important concept.
Extending the functionality of a method.
Exactly. And the best example also I already gave you here. Practically I didn't give, but I wrote some code here. For example, am I right?
Yeah.
And what about method overriding, friends?
Replacing the method functionality.
Exactly. Totally, we are going to replace the functional. In order to replace the functional, definitely we need to implement one whoops principle. What is that whoops principle in method overriding? That we have to must and should implement.
Inheritance.
Exactly. Without inheritance, we can't able to do this method overriding operation. Kindly remember, note down this point in your notebook. If you want to do method overriding functionality, definitely you need to implement inheritance concept, inheritance whoops principle. Okay? Everyone please note. Got it, everyone?
Yeah.
Yes. Now with this, first we'll give you small examples for these two. Very small examples I'm going to give you. Sorry. I'm going to give a small example for method overloading first. Okay? You people has to say everything. I'm not going to write anything. You are going to tell everything based on our previous discussions. Okay? Method overloading example. Whatever the examples I am giving, all are understandable, right? While you are doing practice, I hope all these are
Yeah.
understandable.
Yes, sir.
Any complex code I am giving? I think no, not at all. Any complex code or complex logics I am giving? I'm going, very simple logics I'm implementing, and all the syntaxes also I implemented very in a simple manner. Yes, I'm going to take a normal class. For suppose I'm going to take accounts class. This is the accounts class, friends. Yeah, what is method overloading, friends? The process of extending the method functionality. Am I right?
Yeah.
That means method name is same with what?
Same parameters are different.
Exactly. I'm going to take the same method with different parameters here. You can observe. I'm going to take void, public void. Mm, for suppose uh, interest, not interest. Yes, interest, not interest. Any real-time example, real-time scenario I'm trying to give here. Anything. For suppose tax collection. Tax collection is my method name. Okay. This tax collection method having, for suppose, int basic comma int uh, ta. Ta means traveling elements. Kindly observe this. For suppose this is float,
Mm.
friends. Int, for suppose int itself. Okay, this is my method name. Okay, and here I'm trying to write some business logic, friends. What is that business logic? Float or int or int int for suppose what I need to write here, I will implement something. Yeah, final tax equal to basic plus ta, basic plus ta, and I'm going to write in that in system.out.println, 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 final tax was final tax. And friends, polymorphism means what? Polymorphism means what? Same method has to be implemented in two or more forms, two or more times. Am I right or not? What is the meaning of polymorphism? Poly means many, morphism means structures. If one method exists in multiple forms, that is called as polymorphism in Java technology. Here I have only one method, and same method, friends, I am going to implement like this. Same method, only I am going to change parameters. You can observe here, I am going to add one more parameter here, float housing elements, for suppose housing elements, HA, and here I am trying to add housing elements. Got it? Everyone got it? What I changed in my second overloaded method, what I changed? Only I added one more parameter. You observe here, method name is same, return type is same, and access modifier also same. Only the difference is what? Parameters are changed. Are you observing? Parameters are changed totally. That is called as method overloading, friends. That is called as method overloading. And I am trying to do one more overloaded method. I am trying to write one more overloaded method here. And I'm going to add one more parameter like housing elements, and any other elements are there, like for suppose.
So all the methods should be in same class,
Yes.
like under same class.
Yeah, overloading means general in same class itself. Overloading in the sense general in same class itself. Overriding means different classes, must be inheritance you have to implement.
Different.
Yes, overriding means
Okay.
in different classes with inheritance relationship. Got it?
Okay.
This is float.
Yeah, got it.
And here I'm going to implement one more thing. For suppose int, any other elements, friends, like housing elements, traveling elements, any other elements general in industry? Any others? Shift elements, for suppose shift elements. If people don't have idea on these elements, all these things, I think so. And this is also float. Are you observing? Method name is same. Every time method name is same. Only parameters are changing. Observed, everyone? Parameters changed. Here three
Yeah.
parameters. Same parameters are used, and I am trying to add one more parameter here. Okay. That means your method is extending with some new functionality here. Same functionality was implemented, but somewhat extended here. Housing elements was extended here, and same here, and here shift elements was added. That means your method was extended to some new functionality or not? Your method was extended with some new functionality or not? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, that is called as method overloading.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to take a main class directly. Class method overloading example. Okay, I'm going to take a main method, sorry, public static void main string array aux. String arrays. Friends, if I want to call this method available in account section, what I need to do, friends?
create an object for
For
class
which I
account.
need to create object? For which I need to create object?
For class account.
Exactly, exactly. I'm going to create object for accounts. Now you got the importance of object. Every time I'm trying to call object, object, object. Now you got the importance of object. Everyone? Everyone got the importance of object? I think so, because we created so many objects up to now, up to these many examples. Am I right? Hello, everyone. I think people are sleeping. I think in sleep mode still.
Yes.
Hope all you people just now wake up from bed.
It's clear.
No, sir, it's 10.
It's 10. No, some of the people just now wake up
Yeah,
from bed,
10.
I think so. That's why you're not giving any reply. Do you want any like bed coffee? I will send from here. If you want. In the form of Java. In the form of Java, I'm going to send. Why the people has named this particular technology as Java? Do you know the reason?
Coffee seed.
Do you know the
Yeah,
reason
yeah, coffee
behind
seed.
that? No, the
Yeah,
people.
those people used to drink coffee.
Exactly, exactly. What you said was correct. Yeah, those people, this James Gosling, Java was developed by James Gosling at initial stage. Okay, while he's trying to develop, he used to take more and more and more coffee. That was called as, Java in that particular place, at that particular place. So that's why that particular person named this technology as Java. Okay, definitely in real time also, we are also going to take so many teas and coffees, because Java is little bit different compared to other technologies. And coming to value also, in real time, people will give more and more importance to Java people, because Java has that much demand. I think in US also same, I think so. Am I right? Not in, especially in India, for Java people has great importance compared to other people in industry. In US also maybe like same thing, I think so. Am I right?
Yeah, sir.
Fine. I'm creating objects for accounts here. A equal to new account. Okay. A dot. I'm calling tax collection. Tax collection with the first method I'm calling, friends. First method is having how many parameters?
2.
Two. Basic and traveling elements. First method is having two parameters, basic and traveling elements. Basic I'm going to pass 10, and traveling elements I'm going to pass 5. We'll see which output I'm going to get. According to this, which output I need to get? Friends, which output I need to get? Final tax was? Yes, final tax was?
15.
The fun.
Yeah, first one is going to execute, because I passed here two parameters. Definitely this method has to execute. Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, we'll see whether it is going to execute or something else is going to execute. We'll see clearly. Windows R command prompt cd space. Friends, very soon I'm going to introduce Eclipse, because in this edit plus everything we need to type, but in Eclipse no need to type, and no need to compile every time by going to command prompt, all these things. No need to do all these things. Sorry.
Java.
Yes. This path I didn't give up. No. Sorry. Java C method overloading example.java. Java method overloading. Final tax was 15. I got it what you expected or not?
Yeah.
Yes.
Friends, I am passing one more variable here. One more data I am trying to pass. Like housing elements also I am going to add. Two I passed. Now which method is going to execute and which output I am going to get? Can you guess?
Second method, 17 output.
We'll see. We'll see.
Wait,
17.0 because that was float. Float means after points also you are going to get,
okay.
right?
Yeah,
Hmm.
this.
Yes. Here, friends, according to this output, your functionality was extended or not? 15 was extended to
Yeah.
17 or not? 15 was extended
Yes.
to 17
Yes.
or not?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, that is the greatness of method overloading, and that is the greatness of polymorphism in Java technology. I think everyone got. And one more thing, I am trying to add one more thing here. For suppose I am trying to add this shift elements also. Shift elements I am going to give 3 here. Now which method is going to execute and how which output I am going to get?
Third method.
Last.
Yes, third method, and I need to get 20 as final tax.
Final tax.
We'll see, we'll see. 20.0 I am going to get because float it's returning. So third method was executed. Clearly it's showing that your method was extended to new functionality or not.
Yeah.
Everyone. That is the greatness of method overloading. Hope you people clear, I think so. And I'm going to talk something about method overriding now. We'll take a small example. Method overloading, everyone clear? Sai, Suman, Naresh, Chiru, Venu.
Yes.
Yeah, it's clear.
Everyone clear?
Yeah, it's
There is
clear.
Gopi. Today Gopi is not there, I think so, in session. Fine. File new Java. This is method overriding example, whatever I'm talking. Hi Gopi. Hello Gopi.
Hello,
Yeah, hi Gopi.
can you hear me? Naveen. Just came from and doing my marketing. So
Okay, fine, fine. Yes, friends, method overriding means what is the definition of method overriding? What is the definition of method overriding?
Replacing the functionality.
Yes, method overloading, extending the functionality, overriding, replacing the functionality. Just see how my total functionality was replaced. Previously, functionality was extended by adding one parameter, but here I'm totally replacing my functionality. You just observe how I'm going to do. I'm going method overriding means must and should you need to implement inheritance. Am I right?
Yes.
I'm going to take a main superclass as loan class I'm going to take, and this loan class is having one parameter, one method like public. This was returning float type of data and get interest. Okay. For suppose get interest related information. Get IR means get interest. Okay. This don't has any parameters. I'm not going to take any parameters, and it returns finally, uh, uh, for suppose 3.0 f. Okay. Why I have to return some float value here, friends? Why I need to return float value here for my after completion of my method? Why?
A public float.
Yeah,
You have given a float.
I have taken return type as float for my method. So
As a
must and
float.
should I need to return float type of data. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. And I'm going to take a normal This is like, parent class. This is normally like a loan. That's it. Now I'm going to talk something about, I'm going to take a separate class for home loan. Home loan is different, right? Yes, I'm going to take a separate class for home loan here, and this home loan is extending from loan. I implemented inheritance here or not? This is called
Yes.
inheritance or not? Yes.
Yeah.
This home loan method, this home loan class having the same method, even parameters also same. Even I didn't add any parameters here. Also I am not going to add any parameters, but this functionality is there, right? This returning functionality, not returning inside something. For suppose, one second, here I'm trying to write like this: system dot out dot println. I'm in loan class. Okay, I'm in home loan class here, but here I'm totally changing the functional difference. I'm totally replacing the functionality. This system dot out dot println means one business logic. Just observe one business logic. Okay, in real time you're going to deal with some business logic. This total business logic I changed, I replaced, and written whatever the written value also I'm going to replace. Here you can observe I'm going to return home loan as generally for ICICI home loan nearly 12.5% for suppose 12.5F. And same thing I'm going to take one more class, friends. I'm going to take for suppose car loan. Car loan, which is also extending from loan class. Car loan, and car loan is nearly 15% for suppose. Okay, and friends, I'm going to take a main class here. Class method overriding example. Method overriding example. I'm going to take a main method. Main method name was public static void main string array args.
So double chain static. Spelling is wrong.
Yes, thank you. Yes. Yeah, if I want to call, friends, if I want to call loan related method, loan class related getIR method, for which class I need to create object? I want to call this method.
Class car loan.
No, I want only this method. I want only this method. So I need to create object for this loan.
Loan class.
Yeah.
Loan class.
Yeah, if you want to call this method, you need to create object for this class. If you want this method, you need to create object for this class. Am I right? Object means what? It's a memory block containing the respective class methods, variables, all these things. So if you want to call this method, definitely you need to create object for this only. Yes, I'm going to create object for loan. Loan L equal to new loan. Okay, L dot get IR. Get IR means interest rate. Kindly observe. With shortcut I wrote here. Friends, just observe here. This is normally a parent class. Just observe, this is normally like a parent class. This is having a method like get interest rate method. One functionality was implemented inside that get interest rate method. Okay, again, and one more class I'm going to take like home loan class, and which is subclass of loan class. And again, this whatever the loan class having getIR method, same method I implemented here with the totally different logic. I'm totally replacing the logic. Are you observing here? This total logic was totally replaced here. Previously extended, but here totally replaced. But here you can observe previously parameters are different compared to normal method and overloaded method. Here parameters also same, friends. Your method signature has to be same. Only functionality is replacing. Are you observing? And coming to car loan also same. Same method you have taken with the total replacement of new functionality. You totally replaced this getIR method with new functionality. Got my point, everyone? Hello?
Yes.
Everyone got it?
Yes, we
What
got
I
it.
said? Yes. If I'm
Yeah.
trying to call, if I'm
Yes,
trying to
sir.
call home loan, I want to call home loan related IR method, get IR method. Home loan, H equal to new. Every time why I am taking home is one word and loan is one word, right? Every time I am taking first word first letter as capital and second word first letter as capital in while creating class. So is there any need to create like that? Is there any is
It's a,
we need to create like that? Is there any,
So it's not like mandatory, but
it's not,
is it mandatory
not a
kind of
need,
thing?
but it is a developer. No, it's not a mandatory. It is developer skills, developing skills.
Yes. That is not mandatory kind of thing, but it's like programming skill. Generally, outside people follows those things. If you want to you people as a real-time Java developers, then you have to follow these rules. Fine, fine, guys. I'm going to call same method here. H car loan also same, friends. I'm creating object for car loan here. You just observe car. C. Now tell me which output I am going to get according to this. I need to get three outputs. Am I right? I called getIR method from loan, getIR method from home loan, getIR method from car loan. So I need to get three outputs, three system.out.println. I need to get in my output. Am I right? Everyone?
yes.
Yes, we'll see. Java C method overriding example.java. Java method overriding example. You got the same output what you expected or not? Yes or not?
Yes.
Yes. Here friends observe here. Coming to this loan class, this is the functionality. This total method functionality here replaced or not in home loan? Totally replaced or not? Method is same. Have you observed? Access modifier is same, return type is same, method name is same, parameters also same. What is the difference, friends? Only the business logic was replaced. Only the business logic was replaced. Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the meaning of overriding. Now hope you people feel this overriding practically.
Yes.
So we are using super class word also
Sorry?
in this override.
Yes, overriding. Who is asking?
Super keyword. Yeah. No.
Yes. Tell me.
No, you're using super keyword for
No need to use super keyword here. Overriding means, generally in real time, friends, this is the scenario. Your home loan functionality is different, and coming to your home loan, the interest rate is different, right? Coming to car loan, interest rate is different, right? That means same method is there. Same method is there. You're trying to change the functionality. That's it. In the in those type of situations, we are going to use this concept. Okay, what is the need to use this super? ఇది నెట్ రావట్లే మళ్ళీ నెట్ రావట్లే స్వామి. హలో,
Yeah, Naveen.
Yeah.
sorry, my connection was disconnected because of some network problem, I think so. Yeah, now you got the importance of method overriding, everyone. Replacing the functionality. Hope you people very much clear about this method overloading and overriding. And anybody explain the differences between overloading and overriding? Anybody among all you people? Can you name
Parameters should be same.
parameters should be same in?
In overriding and parameters are different in overloading.
Okay,
No, parameters. Yeah, yeah.
okay. One
And
difference.
business logic for every
Yes.
method is different.
Yes.
And why use inheritance in like overriding and
No need to implement in overloading. You mean to say?
yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
Second was completed and
And
so
this
on.
is the and overloading is the extension of the functionality.
Okay.
The overriding is replacement of the function.
Yes, friends, if somebody asks you, if any interviewer asks you, what is the difference between overloading and overriding? What she said just now, if you give these three differences, interviewer satisfies more and more. And one more thing I'm going to tell you. Most of the interviewers definitely ask you this question. Overloading and overriding differences. Okay? Everyone. Everyone please note it down. It's a very important interview question. As a fresher, even as an experienced guy also. Hope all you people clear up to now.
Yes.
Yes. Now I'm going to talk something about abstraction, friends. This polymorphism was completed with this.
So, Naveen,
Yes.
if we had classes with the same method as overriding, so if we just know the method name, if we don't know the class name, then what we have to do?
Sorry, I didn't get you exactly.
If we have 100 methods same as like what we did in overriding,
Okay. 100 classes you mean to say.
yeah, 100 classes. So
Okay.
we just know the we just know we
Hello. Hello.
want to class.
No, your
Hello.
voice was breaking. Your voice was breaking.
If I want to call the exact method I want to call, but I don't know the class name exactly, then what I have to
So
do?
how you call without knowing that class name? If you want to call that particular method, definitely you need to create object. So without knowing class, how you are going to call?
Like if we are having different method names, then we can directly call the method name. But here the problem is we are having the same method name, right?
Yes, same method name. So if you want to call the method respective to particular class, definitely you need to create object for the respective class. Without creating object for the respective class, how you are going to call? Definitely it's not possible.
Should we have to know the name, right?
Exactly. But 100 classes is not possible, right, in real time as well. Max 3 or 4 or
I'm just
4 or
I'm
5.
just asking. I'm just asking.
Yes, yes, yes. I understood what you asked.
Okay.
Yes, up to polymorphism, I hope everyone clear. Friends, I'm going little bit slowly. Hope you are observing. I'm going very slowly. We'll speed up after another 1 or 2 sessions. Because for you people, because of some of these people are from a non-IT background, I think so. Naresh is asking something. What, Naresh? What's your question? When we creating same method, it saves runtime memory also. Is it?
He's asking me.
You're asking the question?
Yeah.
No, runtime memory, no, not going to improve more and more. If variables kind of thing means memory will be improved because memory will be allocated for variables. For your data, memory will be allocated more. Am I right? If you reuse the variables, then your runtime memory will be usage of runtime memory will be decreases more and more. For methods, no. Method means functionality, right? You are not storing any data there. You are trying to implement some functionality there. You are not trying to save something, or you are not trying to store the data kind of thing like that. Am I right or not?
Yeah.
At object level, I mean to say.
For suppose we create in some variables on class A, some same variables when we using in class B also it's true.
Same, yeah, it's true, right? I implemented that, right? While I'm talking about super keyword, I implemented clearly, right?
Yeah, it's
I clearly implemented, right?
yeah.
Yes. Now I'm going to talk about abstraction, friends. If you people are very much familiar with whoops, yeah, after completion of whoops, you can attend interviews. No problem. Most of the interviews ask you most of the questions from whoops as well as a freshers. You can able to start interview all these things if you want. Yes, abstraction. Abstraction means the process of hiding the data. Hiding the data. Hiding the data means hiding your functionality, like your method functionality. Okay, everyone got my point? What is abstraction means?
Hiding the data.
Exactly. The process of hiding the data is called as abstraction. Generally in Java, with abstraction we can able to provide security more for our Java classes as well for our methods, all these things. That means for suppose I am implementing one functionality, friends. My functionality was I want to make my functionality, my method as very secure because that was transaction related method. For suppose debiting operations and crediting operations going on in that particular method, I want to make that method as very secured, and I want to hide the functionality available in that particular method. In that case, this feature will be useful in real time. Okay, the process of hiding the functionality or hiding the data is called as abstraction. Okay, generally if you want to if you want to get this abstraction feature in Java technology, there are two options for us. One is using abstract class. Second one is interface. Do you know this interface and abstract class? At starting, I think I introduced these two things. At what time I introduced these two things? Yes.
Class containers.
Exactly.
Containers.
Exactly. Perfect. Well, I'm talking about containers in Java technology. I introduced three containers. One is class, second one is abstract class,
Abstract interface.
third one is interface. That is the reason why I didn't discuss those two things at that particular time. Okay, well, I'm talking about abstraction. I will introduce those two things at the time I told clearly. Everyone observe, everyone remember?
Yes.
Yes, here you can observe class, abstract class and interface, various containers in Java. This was totally completed and we have practiced more and more about this class. More examples we practiced already. And abstract class and interface are two more containers in Java technology. With these two, we can able to implement abstraction functionality. Okay, abstraction functionality. Yeah, what is abstract class, sir? Well, I'm talking about various types of methods. I told two types of methods. What are the two types of methods, friends? I think everyone forgot. Various types of methods. I said two types of methods.
Concrete and abstract.
Yeah, there are two types of methods, concrete method and abstract method. What is the meaning of concrete method?
Like method declaration and body in same class.
Method body?
Method declaration and body will be available in the same class itself.
Exactly. And what about method over, abstract method?
Method declaration and
It is in
body will
different.
be available in different classes.
Different classes, that is called as abstract method. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is a class? Class will accept only which type of methods? Concrete or abstract? Up to now,
Concrete.
yeah, up to now I wrote method up to now in my up to my sessions, whatever I gave examples, up to my examples, whatever I gave, I implemented concrete methods or abstract methods. I implemented
Concrete.
exactly. I implemented method declaration and body in the same class itself up to now. So that means it's abstract. It's a concrete method, right? That means
Yeah.
class will accept only concrete methods, friends. Class will accept only concrete methods. Okay. And one more thing I'm going to give you now. Whereas abstract class is also a container in Java technology which accepts both concrete methods as well as abstract methods. Both concrete methods as well as abstract methods. Abstract methods. What is abstract method?
Method declaration body available in different classes.
Okay, different method body is available in other class. Method body is available in other class and method declaration was available in some other class. Am I right? That means body.
Yes.
That means body available in one place and your that declaration is available in some other place. Okay.
Yes.
Yes, that is called as abstract method. Okay, abstract class means it will accept both concrete methods as well as abstract methods. That is called as abstract class. Whereas coming to normal class, it accepts only concrete methods. Here, kindly observe. Kindly observe. Class means only accepts concrete methods. CC. Just remember blindly. Abstract class means it will accept. It will accept abstract.
Concrete and abstract methods.
Yeah, concrete. A comma C. Clearly indicating, right? Abstract class means abstract methods, concrete methods. And interface, coming to interface, it accepts only abstract methods, friends. It accepts only abstract methods. Okay, abstract class means both methods it will accept, and you know how you are going to implement abstract class will tell you clearly. Okay, whereas coming to interface, this interface regularly used one in real time. Abstract classes sometimes we are going to use, but this interface regularly used in real time. Interface and class regularly you are going to use. Your day is not at all going to end without interface and class. Okay, interface means it accepts only what? Only what?
Abstract methods.
Abstract methods. Okay, yeah, sir, you mean to say, you know, your this because of this abstract class and interface, abstraction is going to come. How, sir? How you are going to hide your data with this abstract class and interface? Question is rising from your question is rising, right? Yes, I am going to implement, friends. I am going to hide my data. How I am going to do? You can observe here. Abstraction example. And one more thing I want to quote here. Abstract class means what? It accepts both concrete and abstract methods. Interface means it accepts only abstract methods. Am I right? Yeah. If any container accepts only abstract methods,
Yes.
that gives more abstraction, 100% abstraction it gives. But if anything accepts only some concrete methods and some abstract methods, means it doesn't gives 100% abstraction. Only a portion of abstraction it gives. We'll give you that practically. Then you are going to get good idea. I'm going to take abstract. If you want to make any class as abstract class, then you have to put abstract keyword at front. Okay, if you don't put this abstract, JVM will treat that like a normal class, not treats like abstract class. Okay, got it? Everyone got it?
Yes.
Yes, abstract class means what I said just now. It accepts both. It accepts both concrete methods as well as abstract methods. So I'm going to write a concrete method first.
Yeah.
Public void m1 I'm going to take system dot out dot println system dot out dot println I am in m1 method. Okay, and I am going to this is concrete method. Why this is concrete method? Why this is concrete method?
Method declaration of body in same class.
Yes, here you can observe method declaration as well as method body both available in same class, class A. And I'm trying to implement abstract method. Abstract method means what? Only declaration is available. Body will be available in some other place. Public void m2. Just I declared the method and semicolon. I'm not implementing any body here. You can observe. You can observe clearly here. And I'm going to take a class B which extends from abstract class A, okay. Yes, here this method is going to implement. Here I am going to implement this method. Okay, got it? Everyone got it? Hello,
Yes, sir.
everyone got it?
Yes.
What I implemented here? I just declared this m2 method in abstract class, but that m2 method body available in class B. Okay, so in some other class the respective method body was available, so it's abstract method clearly. That means, friends, generally abstract classes will available at front end, like we can able to get this abstract classes at front, but these normal classes are there, right? Like extending like subclasses, these will be at back end. That means your data will be here inside M2 method. Some functionality is there, like some business functionality is there, transaction related functionality is there, debiting operations related functionality is there, crediting operations related functionality is there. That means your functionality was hidden at front end or not. Here you can observe, here not hidden, because
Yes.
here itself you are implementing the entire functionality, but that means it was not hidden. But coming to M2 method, your total functionality was hidden or not. Yet somewhere else the respective
Yes.
body is available. That means from front end in normal abstract class, your method functionality was hidden or not. Everyone hidden, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yeah, that is called as abstraction, friends.
Yes, sir.
But here you can observe, here I'm not getting 100% abstraction, because even still I have one concrete method here. Even still I have one concrete method here. So 100% abstraction am I getting here? 100% abstraction am I
Yes.
getting here?
No.
No,
No.
one method is
Yeah,
complete.
one still I
No.
have one concrete method. Still I have one concrete method which is having body at front end itself. That means I'm not getting 100% abstraction here. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, I'm going to take a main class. Why I'm stressing more and more this, because this is little bit important. That's why I'm stressing more and more. Public static void main string array args. So if I want to call this M1 method, for which class I need to create object.
Accurately, basically, and class.
If I want to call M1 method available in class A, for which class I need to create object. Hello.
Yeah, Naveen.
Yeah, if I want to call M1 method
Hello.
available in class A, for which class I need to create object?
Class A.
Class A. But sorry friends, for abstract classes we can't able to create objects. That feature is not available in Java technology. We can't able to create object for abstract classes and interfaces. Kindly observe, kindly remember. Please note this point. Immediately note, you have to
Okay.
note this point. For abstract classes and interfaces, we can't
Yeah.
able to create
Yeah.
objects. Okay. For only classes we can able to create objects in Java technology. Please note it down clearly. We can't able to create objects for abstract classes at all. So I need to create object for which class here?
Class B.
Exactly. B equal to new B and B dot M1. If I call B dot M1, M1 is going to call. M1 is going to call. That M1 method is available in class A and your B is extending from class A. So automatically M1 is going to call, or I am going to get, this method was not available type of exception.
No, it will call.
Why?
It will call.
Why?
It extends class
Yeah.
A. So all
Exactly.
the methods.
Exactly. You are right. We'll save this. Have you feel the greatness of abstraction here? This abstract class? With this example, have you first of all you hided the functionality for this M2, right? Definitely here abstraction is going on. I think so. Java C abstract example.java. Error missing method body public void M2. Will tell you why is the reason for that. Sorry. Why I'm getting this error? It's scolding us. We have done some mistake. At line number 10, okay, missing method body or declare abstract public void empty. Friends,
Semicolon, sir.
no,
Public
Abstract,
void.
not semicolon.
abstract
Not
to
semicolon. If you
public
want
to
to
abstract.
declare any method as abstract method, definitely you need to write abstract keyword at front or not. But I didn't wrote here. I forgot to place that. For class, if you want to make any class as abstract class, yeah, definitely you need to write abstract at front. And for methods also same. If you want to make any method as abstract method, abstract keyword you need to place at front. But I didn't place that. So that's why it is clearly scolding us.
Okay.
Java abstract example. I am in M1 method. Called or not? Even though I created object for B, M1 method available in abstract class was called. That means I didn't create an object for abstract class here. I created object for normal class, subclass. Okay, and I'm calling b.m2. b.m2.
Empty method.
Sorry. I am in M2 method. So this M2 method also called. And here you observe your M1, your M2 method was totally hidden, right? Totally hidden, right? Functionality. That is called as abstraction. But here with this abstract class we can't able to get 100% abstraction, friends, because still it is accepting concrete methods. With concrete method we can't able to hide the data, hide the functionality. Okay, so what I want to say with this abstract class was we can't able to get 100% abstraction here. Why 100% abstraction we are not going to get? You know already. I clearly showed I clearly explained this with a practical example just now, because it is accepting concrete methods as well. That is the reason. But friends, interface accepts only which type of methods?
Abstract
Methods. Only abstract methods it is accepting. So I'm going to get 100% abstraction or not here?
Yes, you
We
get
can
100% abstraction.
100% abstraction here. How I'm going to show you? How I'm going to get will show you clearly. We'll take a small example. Abstract example, everyone clear? Hope everyone clear, I think so.
Yes, sir. Sir, can you please explain your domain real-time examples for using that abstract?
Yes, friends. Generally, in real time, the methods, what you want to write, new methods, generally first you are going to declare in interface first. Interface means only abstract methods. Just you are declaring the method in interface. Okay, later coming to implementation classes, you are going to implement the classes by implementing that interface. We'll show you that practically later. My further example is regarding that only. Okay, generally you are just declaring the methods, whatever the business methods are there, you people are going to declare those methods in interface first. and coming to, you are going to take a implementation class. In that class you are going to write the functionality. In that case, your method functionality was totally hidden from front end or not? Interfaces are available at front end. Generally you just think interfaces are available at front, but implementation class is available at back end kind of thing. That means your functionality was hidden or not? In real time,
Yeah.
generally in interface we are going to write the methods, declare the methods, and we are going to take the classes which has to be implements that interface, and in that implementation class you are going to write the functionality that I'm going to show you clearly. In this example I'm going to show this abstract class, sometimes we are going to use. I'm not saying like, this is not at all going to useful like that. It will be useful sometimes. People will use. My requirement is like this, friends. I want to I have group of, I have 10 methods. Out of 10 methods I want to hide only 5 methods I want to implement at front end itself. In that case this abstract class will be useful or not?
Yeah.
If you have a requirement like that, this will be useful or not? Everyone
Yes.
following? Sai, Suman and Naresh, are you
Yes.
following me clearly? Any queries you have? Because
Sir.
you are not at all giving any reply, that's why I'm asking.
We have no.
I think you people are following me.
Uh, I think like Naveen, but in inheritance we are extending, right? So we are extending from class A to like class B. Like class B is extending class A.
Yes.
The same thing we are doing in abstract methods, like we are extending. But thing
Exactly.
is, we are using abstract keyword over here.
Exactly.
So there is no like difference between inheritance and abstract, right?
Abstract class means definitely you need to implement
Because we
inheritance
are
relationship. Without inheritance, we can't
Hiding.
able to hide the data. Yeah, must and should in abstract class and interface, must and should you need to implement inheritance relation. Otherwise, you can't able to implement the respect to hidden method functionality. Got it? It looks like a little bit inheritance also. We are using inheritance concept here.
yeah, got yeah. Yeah, that's what like we are just using like abstract keywords and interface keywords. That's it, right?
Exactly.
It resembles like the same type of like inheritance.
Yeah, same type of, but here we are hiding the data, right? While I'm talking about inheritance, I have taken only normal classes and normal concrete
Yeah,
methods I have taken, but here I have
yeah.
taken abstract type of methods. Got the difference?
Yeah,
Yes.
got it.
Interface example. This was interface example. Friends, if you want to declare any class, you have to take class keyword at front. If you want to declare any abstract class, you have to take abstract keyword at front. And if you want to write any interface, you have to write interface keyword. Interface I. Okay, interface is also a container, friends. Interface is also a container which allows only which type of methods? Which allows which type of methods? Interface allows only which type of methods?
Abstract method.
Abstract methods. So I'm going to take only abstract methods here. Abstract void m1. Abstract void m2. So this is what I implemented in my interface, and I'm going to take a normal class B. Here previously, are you observing? If you are if you are placing inheritance concept between classes, you wrote extends keyword. Am I right? Extends means inheritance relation. Am I right or not? Child is inheriting from parent.
Yes.
While coming to interface, you have to write implements, not extends. Kindly observe implements. Why implements? Because I'm not extending the functionality here. I am implementing the functionality for abstract methods in this particular class. Got my point, everyone? Because interface has only
Yes.
abstract methods. Those abstract methods not at all having any functionality. Okay, for those functionality I need to implement, for those methods I need to implement functionality in this particular class or not. So that's why implements always. Interface implements, kindly remember, interface implements, class extends. Okay, and coming to this implementation, I'm going to take, no need to write abstract again here. Here I wrote abstract, right? Here no need to write abstract again here. Okay, I'm going to take system dot out dot printl out dot println. I am in implementation class m1 method. I'm in implementation class m1 method, and same way I'm going to implement m2 method as well, friends. m2 method as well. I am in implementation class m2 method. Yes. Have you got what I implemented here? In interface I just declare abstract methods, and in implementation class I implemented the functionality. That means in interface is available at front end side kind of thing. That means all your methods data was functionality was totally hidden or not? Totally hidden or not? In interface I wrote only abstract methods. Are you observing? So that means your entire functionality is hidden or not? Everyone. Everyone has to say yes. Then only I will continue.
Yes. Yes.
So, so,
Yes.
Yes, yes.
so definitely I am going to get 100% abstraction here or not?
Yes, sir, but my question is, as a developer, when he's developing, he needs to have access, right? So you're telling like it's like a user interface, but it won't be displayed on the user screen. So
No,
you're doing
but
this
yeah,
backend. So
it
why to use this
no, it
interface?
doesn't. It doesn't displayed in at UI side kind of thing. But we have some third-party tools to hack our Java code itself, like Parus, like Burpshoot.
Oh,
Different tools are there, hacking tools.
okay.
For your understanding
So, but
purpose,
as a developer, if you want to see any,
yeah, as a developer we can't able to justify like this, we are hiding the no, we are hacking the data kind of thing. Just for your understanding purpose I'm using hacking word. Got my point, everyone?
so the user
So
right?
Vikram, your voice is breaking. Can you repeat one more
So
time?
mostly whatever.
Your voice is breaking little bit.
Okay, sir. I'll repeat my question.
Yes,
Audible?
yes, tell me. Hello,
So abstract method, whatever. As
hello.
a developer, you can see abstract. You can view all that, right? As a developer, you have access, right?
Yes,
In your domain.
yes.
So who can like why this much security taken from the developer?
General,
It because only developer can interface, right?
yes. What I mean to say, what I mean to say was generally this type of interfaces and abstract classes at after just completion of UI we are going to call this. We are going to call this after completion of UI. These will be like at front end side kind of thing we are going to maintain. These implementation classes we are going to maintain at service layer or at backend layer kind of thing in real time.
Got it, sir.
Okay, this interface is called as API kind of thing, friends. API, you know API, application interface.
Yes, application program interface. Yeah.
Yes. Application interface means that is having only interfaces. Generally,
Okay.
you can
So the user.
have you observed? For suppose I implemented ICICI Bank related transaction related transaction related one big application I implemented. So if you want to share this application to some other vendor, I am going to share only API. I am not going to share this entire functionality. API means no functionality is available, right? Only interfaces. That means method declarations only available. Functionality is not available. In that case, this will be useful or not?
Okay, sir.
Got my
Yeah, it's very
got
clear.
my answer?
It's very clear.
Yes. Generally, in this type of scenarios, this will be useful. Definitely, people. For suppose IRCTC is there, friends. Indian Railways. IRCTC IRCTC is going to tie up with so many third-party vendors like ICICI Bank, SBI, all these things. So IRCTC is going to share entire application to those vendors. Entire business
Only
logic is
the
going to share. No,
only the
only
required.
only the API is going to share. API. Only API means only declarations available. Functionality is not available. So if not API, if IRCTC people totally shared their functionality, means the other third party vendors totally changing the functionality, and entire application will be hacked.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Am I right? That is the
Yes, sir.
importance of interface. Yes, I'm going to take in the main class. Everyone got what Vikram asked just now? Vikram question everyone got?
Yeah, got it.
Yeah, what about others? Naresh and Sai, have you got the Vikram's question?
Yes, Naveen.
Yes. Interface example. Public, static, void main, string array arts. So can I create object for interface?
No.
I can't able to create object for interface and abstract class. Kindly remember. So if I want to call this M1 and M2 method, for which I need to create object?
Create an object for class B.
Exactly.
Class B.
Exactly. B dot M1. B dot M2. Friends, in web services also, you are going to share your web services to different vendors. That means you are going to share only API interfaces. You are going to share. You are not going to share entire functionality. Think in that way also.
Okay.
Okay. Yes. Java C interface example. Why it's calling us? In B cannot interface example.java line number 16 void M2. In B cannot implement M2 in I void M2. Attempting to assign weaker access privileges was public. Yes, at least it has to be more privileges. Public. We'll explain you that. We'll explain you that why I wrote the public here. We'll explain you clearly. And previously we got one exception. I think Naresh, Have you remember at starting we got one exception while I'm writing my class as public, we got one exception. Got my point? Have you remember that? I said like we'll explain you that later.
Yes.
Yes, we'll explain you that clearly. One reason is there for
Sir,
that.
your voice is breaking, sir.
Java C interface example.java. Now it was compiled successfully. Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes, sir, it's audible now.
Yeah, it's audible now, sir.
Yes, suddenly my audio connection was lost. I don't know why. Yeah, Java interface example. I'm in implementation class M1 method, I'm in implementation class M2 method. That means I created object for implementation class here. I didn't create an object for interface. Interface doesn't accept to create objects. That means yeah, friends, this API you are going to share, friends, for your third party vendors. This you are going to share. This you are not going to share. If you share this, they will hack your code. They will hack your entire business logic. This M1 method is having for suppose transaction related business logic. If you share this class and people will decompile this and people will have a chance to change your entire business logic. In that case, if you,
Hello?
hello, చాలా స్లో ఉంది. స్వామి కింద ఏమైనా ఓపెన్ చేస్తారా అంటే హలో 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 సో సెట్ హలో 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 Hello. So sad. Hello.
Yeah, Naveen.
Yeah, are you getting any disturbance from my side right now?
No. Good.
No.
Yeah, suddenly audio connection was lost. I don't know what's the reason. Maybe because of some network difficulties. Yes, friends, here you just
Again,
hello. It's clear now. సో సాడ్ సో సాడ్ సో ఒకసారి నెట్ ఆపండి స్వామి ఒక 1 minute ఆపితే అయిపోకూడదు ఓ ఆ నెట్గా స్వామి ఆపమన్నదే నీ ఫోన్లో నెట్ అయిపోయింది హలో హలో
hello.
Hello, Naveen.
Hello.
Yeah, it's clear now.
Yeah, Naveen, it's
Yes.
yeah, it's clear now.
Yeah, sorry for the disturbance.
No problem.
Yes, yeah, generally we are going to share this API to outside vendors, friends. We are not going to share this implementation classes. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, that is the advantage we are going to get these interfaces and with this abstraction. Hope you people got the importance now clearly.
Yeah.
Yes, yeah, that's all
Okay,
about
once show the output.
sorry, I already shown output.
Once show.
I'm in implementation class M1 method.
Before screen has been stuck. So
I'm in implementation class M2
okay.
method. Yeah, Vikram, have you got the importance of interface now and abstraction?
Yes, sir, I understood it.
Yes, what about
Yes,
others?
sir, I understood it.
Chiraju and Tejasvi, Suman, Sai, have you got the importance of interface and abstract class and abstraction moreover?
Yes, we got it.
Suman, Sai, Tejasvi.
Did repeat it once again.
Yes, interface means it accepts only abstract methods Abstract methods means, it just we have only declarations available. We are not going to implement any business logic there. Business logics will be available in implementation classes. Okay, if you want to share your API to some other third party vendors, like as a ICICI bank application, I need to share some API to some third party vendors, like to some third party vendors. I am going to share this interface only. Okay, I'm not going to share these implementation classes. If I share these implementation classes, third party vendors going to get your entire business logic data. Like they will decompile your class and they're going to get entire your business logic data. But interface, even though they can decompile, only declarations available, body is not available. So I'm going to share this interface. So that will be useful or not? In that case, your data will be perfectly hidden or not?
Okay.
Generally,
Yes.
generally, if you download any software also, generally you are going to get API only. API you are going to get. Implementations you are not going to get. Have you observed in any software while trying to download? Only API you are going to get. API means only declarations available. Body is not at all going to available. I mean, implementation is not at all going to available. Got it? Hope you got it now.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. Any other questions? Hope everyone fine up to now.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, with this I am winding my session today.
Okay. Okay, Naveen.
Yeah, please do all these things, please practice all these things for my next session, because I discussed so many things today and I give more examples today. Overriding, overloading, abstract class, interface. Okay, please put all these things into practice.
Naveen, when you're going to start advanced Java? Like from tomorrow itself?
No, advanced Java, it takes a lot of time to start. Advanced Java in the sense,
Okay.
before that I need to talk about collections, exception handling, multi-threading. All these
Okay.
come under core Java itself. Advanced Java means servlets and JSPs.
Yeah.
Yeah, it takes little bit time. It takes max nearly another 10 to 15 days.
Okay. Okay, fine, Naveen.
Yeah, for my next session onwards, we'll go little bit fast because I'm very slow right now. I'm going very slowly. I think so.
But it's good, like we can able to understand each and everything. So
Yes, but I'm very I'm going very slowly means it takes a lot of time, right? Maybe
okay.
yes, we'll little bit speed up. We'll speed up little bit, not more, only
Oh,
little bit. Fine. Thank
yeah,
you
Naveen.
guys.
Thank
Thank you
you.
for your valuable time.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, Naveen.